Greetings, the whole world, and fellow TBCians. I want to share a word with you once again. Your brother, Rich Senyo, or Tawia Senyo, because they used to call me Rich Senyo, because I'm now rich through TBC. That's why they call me Rich Senyo. Now, I'm speaking from Ghana, as I'm here. As I'm talking now, I'm in Ghana. I want to share a good word with you once again concerning TBC. What is TBC? People are saying, and some of them are talking, they say TBC is a network company. So they think if you buy something, maybe some network companies, you buy what they want, or they have some minimum packages you buy. The minimum packages you buy, if you buy it, maybe they will tell you to find 3 people, 4 people before you can get to some place. So network people, they work. You find somebody, the person under you also will find somebody before you can rise up, before you can get what you want, before you can get, if you want to achieve something, you can achieve it. TBC is not like that. TBC is a money itself. The money which use internet. TBC is a cryptocurrency. You use mode of payment. So I want to clear people's mind, those who are saying that TBC is a network company. Though it's a network company, I can say some place, if you find, but if you tell your brother or your sister or your colleague, your friend to join TBC community admin will give you something for the work that you've done. But if you didn't do any work for TBC community, but you buy at least $10,000, anytime they are sharing their percentage, yours will come for you. Do you know why? Every day Kringles rise up. The price of Kringle every day it rise from 1% to 5% daily. Sometimes it will rise 1%, sometimes it will rise 2%, sometimes it will rise 3%, sometimes it will rise 4%, sometimes it will rise 5%. So the amount you bought, if it is increasing, if the percentage of the day is 5%, yours will come for you. So it's not like network company. But admin is so good. The directors are so good. If you talk to your friend, you bring more people, you'll be rewarded for that too. If you buy something, any amount you buy, you'll be rewarded for buying that thing. You just fill a form in your back office, request form, and then the seller will just approve it for you. So as people are thinking that it's a network program or network company, no. Because I've been hearing it everywhere I'm passing in my area. They are saying it is a network company. No, it's not a network company. You just come and buy. Buy if you don't want to work to grow the community, to bring the population to the community, you just be there. Anytime one of the Kringle price rise, yours also will rise for you. I think you understood. You are clear about this issue. I said TBC is not network business or network company. It's a cryptocurrency. So it only rise up because there is a cryptocurrency there, market cryptocurrencies there, sometimes the price will come down. Sometimes the price will go higher. But this TBC, the price will not come down, but it will rather goes up every day according to how they plan it. Like Bitcoin, sometimes go up, sometimes come down, come down, come down. TBC is not like that, and it is not a network company, as people are saying, or a marketing company. Do you get me? It's not a marketing company or network. It's a money some of the people have generated. So this money can be a refuge to a poor and mankind. So if we are TBC community member, you are rich. Because by the time our population will get to 1 billion and the price of our coin to rise up to 1 billion, you are a billionaire. So I want you to buy some now. Buy some. Don't think that it's a network company. It's a money you also use to buy. And it's real money you will use. Because I have been hearing it, that is why I'm doing this broadcast concerning it. To clear everybody's mind. Maybe somebody say it, and maybe somebody also will be thinking in that way. That is a network company. No, it's not a marketing network company. It's a money, cryptocurrency, which has been generated to reduce poverty globally. It's an electronic money, e-cash. That is how. And it uses internet. Every cryptocurrency uses internet. So this one is using internet. So I want you to clear your mind for that. Fear not. I will always talk about TBC because TBC is so good. Those who program this TBC, God will bless those people. The board of directors, those who generate this TBC, those who brought this idea, because the idea was so good. Let me go to the other side. Now TBC is growing and then new things are coming in. Things are changing positively, not negatively. Things are changing. We are advancing. TBC is not like how it has started. Now, some people created accounts. In their wallets, there is a 0 kringle there. Doesn't mean that admin didn't give you any kringle, any free kringle. Admin have a kringle for you at your back office. When you go to your back office, you just fill the form there, put your pictures, your Facebook name or link, fill the necessary forms there, security questions. By so doing, you go to the cookie reward site, cookie reward, or cookies. You go to the cookies. When you go there, you see it. You see what they have given, admin has given to you, the kringles that admin give you. You see it there. You redeem it as a cookie reward. So never think, never say that admin is now giving 0 kringles. No. They are on their words. They give you 250 kringles for free, which is 2005 cookies. So you just go there, go to the back office. But you, who is listening to me now, and looking at my face now, don't hear this and keep sitting down there. Go and look for TBC before it is too late, because TBC is now changing people's life. TBC is the only refuge now to a mankind. Let me tell you, I have some other coins, market coins. The amount that I used to bought them, now I can't even get that amount because the price is very low. You can't even get the half of the money that you buy the coin, those market coins. So I would advise you rather go to the TBC side. TBC is the only way. Me, I'll keep always telling you that join TBC community, because I see the good thing in TBC, how they program TBC. Those program TBC, I can see that they sit well, they think well. So first thanks go to Almighty, and I give the second thanks to them, those who planned this. Coming Monday, you'll hear from me again. Bye bye.